This is a brand new 2013 Ford F-150. This truck has an automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and the added safety and control of four-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, a sunroof, a cooled driver's seat, high-intensity headlights, a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, a double wishbone independent front suspension, a turbocharger, a locking rear differential, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: adjustable driver pedals, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, cruise control, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, 12-volt power outlets, rear curtain airbags, air conditioning, steering wheel mounted controls, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.